श्रीमतिप्रदे वसत्वं मम जिह्वाग्रे सर्वविद्याप्रदा भव।
I stand here on behalf of Goa EDC, BSNL and Soma Networks to extend you all a formal welcome. I welcome Honorable CM and express our gratitude for readily accepting the request to inaugurate this facility in all industrial estate in spite of his busy schedule. I also welcome Honorable Minister for Power and local MLA who has supported Goa EDC in all its ventures and extended valuable guidance from time to time. I welcome Shri Yatish Pathak, Global Chief Executive Officer of Soma Networks. I must mention here that the entire team of Soma Networks has been very cooperative and very committed to ensure that all works assigned to them are executed with perfection and professionalism. Today we start latest communication facility WiMAX in our industrial estates. I wish our association will grow stronger to fulfill aspirations of the industry. Goa IDC is committed to provide and improve the infrastructure facilities in all industrial estates and will keep on striving our best to do so.
Respected Managing Director of Goa IDC, respected General Manager BSNL, it is a pleasure for me to be here at this inaugural event to talk about what I believe is a very compelling and exciting future for Goa IDC, BSNL and Soma Networks. Soma Networks and BSNL have a public-private partnership to bring the most sophisticated broadband technology to Goa, in particular now today to Goa IDC. This is one of the first times in the world that this sophisticated technology has been implemented. The whole idea behind the technology is to bring instant broadband anywhere, any place, anytime to both the masses as well as to the enterprise. That means that just as one today buys a cell phone to get immediate cell phone connectivity, you can now get immediate broadband connectivity just like a cell phone. As you know, India is lagging in broadband penetration and our aspirations in India are very, very high. It represents basic infrastructure for the industrialization of the country, basic infrastructure for both industrial and personal growth. Upon availability of broadband, a whole plethora of applications now become available. It means the average household gets to browse the internet very easily, seamlessly, get access to all kinds of applications that are not envisioned today. In the rural areas, farmers can look for grain prices, they can look for medical forms, land records, buying train tickets, made very simply over the web. This is the power of broadband. Once broadband infrastructure exists, all these services become possible, and at a very low incremental cost, often for free. So the most important part of this is basic infrastructure, which collectively with BSNL, with a very powerful public-private partnership, we're able to do this. And Goa IDC is one of the first in the world to have this technology.
I welcome everybody to this August gathering of the signing of the contract between IDC and BSNL for provision of WiMAX services to IDC through our joint venture with Soma Networks. Today we are heralding into a great day that the connectivity requirements of the IDC will be met by the new technology. To draw attention of the fact that telecom is a very highly infrastructure intensive And also, as we see that the trend is from moving from landline to mobile, the mobility is a basic requirement of everybody, and with that one has to be connected to the world.
I think IDC has recognized its responsibility as a body that is meant to encourage and facilitate industry. With this agreement that they have signed, IDC has brought one more facility to our doorstep. But having brought this facility to our doorstep, I think IDC shows us that they are alert and they are awake to the latest requirements of industry.
I am told that this memorandum of understanding between IDC and BSNL and Soma Network will practically bring in all the industrial states. Friends, industrial growth is extremely important for the state economy to grow. I must congratulate the chairman of the IDC, Sri Chandrakant Kovlekar, who is not here today, and the managing director, Sri Palekar, along with his team, for having taken this initiative and signed this MOU with BSNL and Soma Networks. I request you to take maximum use of this facility, which will really help the industrial sector prosper. I wish BSNL and Soma Network will really work hard to see that all the industrial estates are benefited by this decision. One who picks up faster, one who clicks faster is going to be the winner. And I wish Goa remains the winner in everything. Thank you.
Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, in partnership with Soma Networks USA, for the first time has introduced wireless broadband in Goa. This project will initially cover 5 industrial estates in Goa in the first phase and will extend it to 19 other industrial estates in the next 2 months.
BSNL, in association with US-based Soma Networks, has launched wireless broadband for industrial estates under the Goa Industrial Corporation.
या विस्तारानं राज्यातील औद्योगिक वसाहती आता BSNLच्या ब्रॉडबँड सेवेनं जोडली गेली आहेत. याबाबतच्या कराराचं हस्तांतरण मुख्यमंत्री दिगंबर कामत यांच्या हस्ते करण्यात आलं.
गोयात उद्योगिक वसणुकेत उद्योजकांच्या फायद्या खातीर बिनतारी ब्रॉडबँड सेवेसयत भारत संचार निगमान वायमॅक्स सेवा सुरू केल्या. वेर्णेच्या उद्योगिक वसणुकेत मुख्यमंत्री दिगंबर कामत हांच्या हस्तुकी वायमॅक्स सेवेचे उक्तावण झाले.
I wish BSNL and Soma Network will really work hard to see that all the industrial estates are benefited by this decision.